All right, y'all, let's make some bacon-wrapped tofu. Start by pressing your tofu with the Easy Tofu Press. Then make the marinade while the tofu is pressing. Combine minced ginger with maple syrup, toasted sesame oil, soy sauce, and rice vinegar. Whisk that together. Cube your tofu and pour on that flavorful marinade. Give it a stir and then let it marinate to soak up all those tasty flavors. When the marinating time is up, you are ready to bake. Grab yourself some soft, pliable vegan bacon and slice it in half lengthwise. You want your bacon to be soft so that it won't fall apart when you roll it up. Now grab a baked tofu cube and roll it up in that bacon, securing it with a toothpick. Arrange the bacon-wrapped tofu on a lined baking sheet, brush on some extra marinade, and bake it again. Enjoy that sweet, smoky, savory bacon-wrapped tofu.